Hello guys, again welcome again to another episode of my YouTube channel. And today I'm just gonna brush up what we anticipated for this week. If you check my previous video I just posted yesterday, you're gonna see that I talked about how I was looking out it was actually on GJ, what I was looking out for doing on GJ, and that's actually played out. um Remember in the last video, let me start off on the 4 hour time frame. First and foremost, guys, like, subscribe, and comment to my YouTube channel. Most especially the comment section. Tell me what you guys want me to talk about and teach you guys about on my trading career, right, or my trading journey. This channel is all about documenting my trading journey and teaching what I know. I also learn at the process because believe me, if you teach more, you learn more. That's the truth. Warren Buffett said that, and like, that's very true. Even in my usual days in school, if I teach people mostly, that's when I understand more. So I really like that's just one of my things. So yeah, we are actually expecting that the only way we are going to be looking for one of the ways we want to see, one of the things we want to see is market breaking this structure. You can see the structure zone here. You can see this chart pattern here. All right, this is usually called a pennant or flag pattern. And now we've broken it. We've broken this. We've broken this support. You can see this resistance zone. We've broken it and closed above it. And you check on the daily also broke above it and closed. So what we're just going to be looking out for is a push to downside and a straight up. So GJ is one of top of our list. But by the way, I'll actually be taking other trades since Monday. But the trades are kind of risky trade. I took loss and win today, but I was profitable at the end of the today actually. I don't know if I should talk about the trade I took today, but this trade you see right here, I'll try to this trade. He smashed me out like the you could see, you see the way this market actually hit me out on stop loss, like it spiked very massively. I just opened my chart and saw I was in loss, but actually previously I was already in profit during the London session. Then it came up on New York session and hit me out in stop loss. So I was now up about $20 in my profit account. Uh, out of the 41, I actually made it to London session, so I was down that like in profit. I was $41 in profit in London session, and then during New York session I lost the 20. I had lost $20 out of the $41, so I was still in profit for the day. So that's how I still counted. I was still in profit for the day. I also was thinking, I was actually hoping this thing was going to tank. It was showing me some patterns I've seen before, but nevertheless, it's part of the game. Sometimes we are unsure and we take trades that are really not we are not sure of. But one of the things I've learned this week is, or last week, is if you're not sure of a trade, reduce the risks. It does really help me a lot. Like when I'm not sure setting up a trade, I reduce the risks. And if my market is another thing I've learned also is market is showing signs that, oh, I'm not going to really be moving to this direction, cut your loss short. That's what we call cutting loss short. All right, it has helped me a lot doing last week and even beginning of this week. Cutting your losses short, especially last week. Cutting your losses short is something you need to learn how to do. All right, that's and how you do that is looking at what the market is doing. What are the candles saying? How are the candles forming? What's the momentum? What is happening? All right, and knowing when to just get out of a trade, because sometimes market usually give you time to actually go out of this trade, like because hey man, I'm not this market like hey guy, I'm not actually going this direction anymore. Leave now. Sometimes it gives you to leave in loss in a small loss. Sometimes it tells you to leave in a small profit. Hey, leave now. So sometimes it happened to me, on I think it was on GJ. Yeah, this was a trade. I took a buy. That was actually Easter Monday. I was not supposed to trade in, but the opportunity was presented to me, and I was seeing that there was volume in the market. All I need to see is that there's volume. All right, because usually what will make me not trade during the holidays is because there is no volume in the market. But if I come and see volume, I'm like, wow, there's volume actually, so I can actually trade. When I'm saying volume, what's volume? I see good candles, healthy candles, not just any candles, healthy candles. So I was seeing healthy candles on EJ and the rest of the pairs. Gold was moving. I was like, oh wow, why not take this trade? So, and then the market pulled back. It was the trade I took. The market pulled back, and I was seeing a double top here. And then on the 30 minute, I was seeing some candles that I didn't like. What candle was that? I was seeing some candles I didn't like this kind of one, and I just left. I just left the trail. Like this trail is not going to go to our direction, and I just left the trail. You can see it came back, hit a stop loss, and I kept moving down. So that's one of the things Is it so? But the main thing I wanted to point out today was the GJ. So guys, what now? What we should looking out for is buying GJ. GJ has finally broken the level. Right, GG has finally broken our level that we want and we are anticipating for. So um let us see what happens though. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right, you know I'm a trend line guy. I want to just trade this trend line. So GJ finally is broken the structure, and we hope to see some retest and push the upside. So pretty much that's it, guys. And let me look at the yen basket. If there's anything to talk about, okay, you can see the yen backness and backs. Sorry, the yen basket is weak. I don't know why I was finding that hard. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at this, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Look at this candle, guys. I love this. Look at this candle. I love this. I love this. Finally, we found a candle that closed below here. Alright, because that's been really messing around breaking this zone for a long time since 11th April. This zone has been trying to be breaking. It came, wasn't able to break it here, came back again, wasn't able to break it, push, and now it has finally broken it with this very good candle formation. All right, pimba, and then a very engulfing candle. I love this. So we're gonna see mark yen weakness. We're still gonna see yen push down. All right. So what we need to do is to see the break of this 4-hour trend line. This is the yen basket. No guys, they don't trade the yen basket. So what we want to see is a break of this 4-hour trend line, and then we test and then we push to the downside. So probably tomorrow is Thursday or Friday. We'll have to probably see that. And I'll be looking out to be buying GJ. For EJ is still looking very dirty. Though I made money from EJ to today or yesterday. Today. I traded EJ. Yeah, EJ was what I actually traded the first time, then lost it to GJ. For sale. So thank you very much guys for staying up to this point, and like it and subscribe, and peace out. See you tomorrow. Probably I might give shorts, I might do YouTube shorts, but whatever it is, peace out.